Presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Glacier Metallic Clear Coat, Passive Entry Remote Start Package included, Keyless Entry with Panic Alarm Remote Start System, Quick Order Package 2XB included, Engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, Passive Entry Remote Start Package included, Keyless Entry with Panic Alarm Remote Start System, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.